Somebody mentioned birds? Thai bird spot. So, you fancy a trip to Thailand, eh? All the way from Russia? Well, how do you think you're going to travel? Take a plane? Yeah, that would probably be the best way, wouldn't it? So, but not so for this little guy. The Amur, or Stejneger's Stonechat, migrates here every year from their breeding grounds in as far off as Eastern Siberia and Mongolia. Individual Stonechats will spend up to 70 days en route during their migration here, and will have to endure the challenges of yearly habitat loss due to development and also illegal trapping areas in northeastern China. They're extremely similar in both plumage and behaviour to the Siberian Stonechat, differing in only small details, notably by having a slightly broader based bill and slightly less white on the rump. Therefore, all wintering Stonechats here in Thailand are presumed to be the Amur. The Amur Stonechat feeds mainly on medium-sized insects and their larvae on the ground. Here we see the bird regurgitating a pellet of undigested matter, like bones, shells, and even tiny skulls of its prey. The breeding male has a black head, a broad white half collar, and mostly rusty red underparts, whereas here the non-breeding male is a little patchier, with a paler head and chest. It's a chunky little bird found in a wide variety of open landscapes, often found sitting on exposed perches. The male bird has a type of clicking call, like two pebbles or stones being knocked together, which is where some people believe they get their name from. In actual fact, its scientific name means rock dweller. Saxicola derives from the Latin saxum, meaning rock, and incola, meaning inhabitant, hence who that lives in the rocks. Well, that's it for another little video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye for now.